Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to lock your Stash debit card using the Stash app. If you ever lose your Stash debit card or suspect unauthorized use, locking the card immediately can prevent any unwanted transactions. To do this, start by opening the Stash app on your mobile device and logging into your account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab located at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Debit Card or Card Settings. Depending on your app version, here you will see the option to lock your card. Tap the Lock Card button to temporarily disable all transactions on your debit card. Locking your card will block purchases, ATM withdrawals, and any other activity until you unlock it again through the same menu. This is a safe way to protect your funds if your card is misplaced or stolen. If you find your card later, you can simply return to the same debit card settings and tap Unlock Card to resume normal use. Remember, locking your card does not cancel it permanently. It only prevents use until you decide to unlock it. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.